Good morning. I wanted to show you how I assemble my hive bodies. The first thing I do is I just use a toothbrush and I put glue on both this side as well as this side, because I want to make sure I'm covering every contact point with, and this is type bond 3. So anyway, I get really good coverage with my glue. I just think it's important. And the other thing I do is when I put these boxes together, I lay them upside down, and you'll see why I do that in a second. Because once I put the clamps on, I'll flip this, and I always start with those top. That little tab on the top is important to get the screw hole centered well, so it just with it setting upright, it helps. But anyway, putting these clamps on, people think it's overkill. It takes a lot of extra time, but it really doesn't. As you can see, I can get these on relatively quickly, and this ensures that all the joints are really nice and tight. It also helps make sure the box is square. And these are just regular pony clamps, but these are the extended reach. And they're sweet because they'll sit right over the top of the regular pony clamps. And give me a good clamp on the wood. So once I get these on, I'll just double check them. I don't tighten these very tight. And then this is when I do the flip. Or I've already done the flip. Okay. I'm on camera, so I'm nervous. But anyway, so you can see right away that really nice joints, everything's tight. And I don't know if you notice how I can slide this around. One of the most important things is when you're building is to have a nice flat surface so that everything's square that direction. But also, by having this plastic tabletop, I can slide this around real easy to work with all this stuff. But the reason I flipped it upside down the first time is because this joint right here, it's just this little tab. It just gives me a better shot at it. This is a new screw I'm trying out, and I think I really like them. You don't have to countersink or anything. It's got a big head on it. But like for this top tab, it really locks it in. If I can stay on it. You'll see the glue starting to mush out. I don't tighten these real tight. I just want to make sure that the wood's snugged up. I don't want to smash it. I don't want to put so much on it that it's starting to stress it. But by gluing and screwing these joints will last forever and stay in place forever. So anyway, I'll just repeat that for all. I mean, you can see the glue is mushing out on every joint. So I'll just clean that all up. And you can see what we end up with. Just really nice, clean. So hope that helped.